How to delete Hotspot on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. From this list, locate and tap on Personal Hotspot to access its settings. On this page, you can see that the hotspot is currently active and discoverable. To turn it off, simply toggle off the Allow Others to Join switch at the top. You have now successfully disabled your personal hotspot, preventing other devices from connecting. You can also tap on the Wi-Fi password option to edit the password for your hotspot. Enter a new password and tap on Done at the top right to save your changes. Now, other devices won't be able to connect to your hotspot unless you allow them to. Following these steps, you can easily turn off the hotspot feature on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.